Welcome to BMC Helix Video Solutions. In this video, we will be seeing how to check and validate which BMC Helix IT operation management version is deployed. There are a couple of options to understand which version it is deployed. The first one it is navigate to the deployment manager directory and check the version file. So for example, this is the location from where I have executed the deployment manager directory, and if I will do ll, I can see there is one version file which will provide the details of ITOM version install. So here it is. So another method it is describe the one of the pod and check the image version from there. So will list out all the pods, and I will grab Kafka pod over here. So here it is. So this one I'm going to describe, and I will just grab image. So in this version, we can see the ITOM image version. So it is 24.1. So let's talk about the last method. For that, we would need to get the RSSI URL. So I will be executing this command. Here it is my RSSI URL. So let's log into the RSSO URL with default username password. And here we can see the version details as well. So this is how user can validate which ITOM version is deployed. This concludes my video. Thank you for watching. Please refer to the official documentation for additional information.